Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for replacing fear with faith. Oh, it sounds so good. It feels so good. Let's bring it on. So I place my hand on my heart, wholehearted, grateful, partnering up with that higher Holy Spirit self. So grateful and so thankful to allow a healing to happen. We are grateful and thankful to call forth a great faith and trust all the way. We're replacing fear with faith. So grateful to let the higher Holy Spirit self figure out all the details. We're calling it forth. An epic healing, heart, mind, body, soul, all in for replacing fear with faith. So grateful and so thankful that we can call upon that higher Holy Spirit self, our own holiness, shining its light into our hearts and minds, so that we consciously relinquish the root causes of fear, and faith is naturally revealed. We are grateful and thankful that fear has no power over us, that fear is nothing. We are grateful and thankful that God is everything, Spirit is everything, fear is nothing. We are grateful and thankful to relinquish all the causes of fear, all attachments, dissolve and resolve permanently back to the root cause so we never experience them again. We are truly grateful and thankful to call forth, allow, and accept a healing, a powerful, powerful healing. And we share the benefits with everyone because we're one with them. So grateful to allow the healing to be. We let it be. And so it is. Amen. Amen. Amen.